Bangladesh, a land of serene beauty where rivers weave through emerald fields and golden sunsets, paint the horizon from the misty hills of Sylhet to the endless green of the Sundarbans. Nature here speaks in 1,000 shades. The rhythmic waves of Cox's Bazar kiss the world's longest sea beach. While the quiet breeze through the tea gardens tells stories of harmony and peace. Every drop of rain, every ray of sunlight breathes life into this fertile land. This is Bangladesh, beautiful, vibrant and alive, where nature still smiles in its purest form.